be going to meet my friend Lynn this morning. We're going to go take a drive up into the White Mountains to North Conway, New Hampshire. Don't know yet where exactly we'll be going, if we're just going to sightsee from the car or maybe do a little walking. Neither of us are ready for any actual hiking yet, but we might do a small easy walk if the mood strikes. It looks to be a gorgeous day today, so either way it'll be good for us to get out there, see what we can see, feel the sun on our skin, the wind in the trees. I'm bringing my camera gear. It's the first time in ages I've actually been able to get it into the car without freezing up and leaving it behind. I don't know if I'll have the courage to use it, but I can count it a win for getting this far. So let's see and just take it one step at a time and see how the day goes. Well, we have found ourselves up in Pinkham Notch in the White Mountain National Forest, just outside of North Conway, New Hampshire. And we are going to make the hike down to check out Glen Ellis Falls. Come along. So this is Glen Ellis Falls, the pool. There's the waterfall. Beautiful day. Well, I made it back home. Today was a really beautiful day. It was just exactly what Lynn and I needed. That walk down to the waterfall was just so peaceful and so perfect. There was people, but not too many people. The weather was great. Just the way the sun filtered through the trees, it was fantastic. When we got to the bottom, there was quite a few people there, and then we actually had a few minutes where there was no one but the two of us, and I was really, really nervous, but I went ahead and pulled out my camera and snapped off a couple of shots. I knew they were going to be horrible as I was doing them because I wasn't using the tripod or the filters or anything. I was too nervous to go to that extent, but I was very happy with myself that I managed to work up the courage to pull out the camera and take a few photos that were landscape shots. Then we headed back up. My camera died on the way back up. And then when we got to the car, I really, really wanted to go back and get some photos of those flowers by the birch tree near the top of the walk. And so you'll have just seen those now. And so I'm, again, very happy that I was able to do that. I had no qualms whatsoever, not a flutter of nervousness when it came to doing that. Maybe because in my head they were just flower pictures and they weren't landscape pictures. I don't know. But I managed to get pictures, and so that made me very happy. So all in all, it was a really good day, and I hope you enjoyed the journey. Thanks again, and see you next time. Bye.